I'm LEBO Bogosi, founder of LEBO GOT EATS, and welcome to my kitchen. We've got wings, guys. Sorry. LEBO GOT EATS started with my blog, then I decided to start baking lip balm. LEBO GOT lip balm, and now it's LEBO GOT EATS. I started during the lockdown period, and we can't just have people in the house. You know, I live with an old woman, so that was the first challenge. But now that the restrictions have eased up, it's much more easier to have people over. People come here, they bring their dates, I cook for them. My friends have their meetings here. Looking forward to hosting Bonang one day. My love for food is what inspires me, so I'm always just thinking of what to make the next day. It all depends on the day. It depends on what I have in the fridge. So if I've got balls, I'll make a mean boerewors. If I've got chicken fillets, then I'll find something to do with that. Also, if I want to make burger patties, I'll do that. It all depends on the day, on my mood, but it's always going to be crazy looking. I hate making the same old boring stuff, so I always mix it up. Yeah, I'll be selling from my house for now. And there you have it, the LEBO GOT EATS flatbread stack. Yeah, let's call it that, flatbread stack. Cause I don't have like, I think that's one thing I'm going to struggle with, you know, like naming my dishes, because I just make whatever's in my head. I would like to open a coffee shop one day soon, hopefully before not before the end of the year, but early next year. I'd like to be up and running. For now, I'm just going to continue looking for a location and selling food from my house. You tell me how much you have or what you would like to eat. If you're allergic to anything, and I will definitely whip up something. If you want to challenge me also, you could do that, but I will never cook rabbit, you know. I'm just saying. But yes, challenge me. I got you. Call me on the number on your screen. Right there. It's right there.